today I have a Sheglam kind of haul and little mini review. I did my makeup today using the majority of these products and kind of wanted to give you guys my thoughts on this collection. I'm sorry if you can hear my fan. It is super hot here in Florida and literally like I just needed to cool down a little bit because these lights are super hot. But hopefully sometime in this video I will turn it off because I know it can be a little bit annoying. So I'm sorry. But I will be putting little try on videos here to the side, and I will also have little shorts available as well on a lot of these products. So let's go ahead and jump in. This is the Wizard of Oz with Sheglam. I'm super grateful for them for sending me this for review purpose. But of course, you guys know I always share my honest opinions on every item. So let's start out with the palette. I love a good theme. I love a good packaging. You guys know I'm a sucker for it, whether I'm purchasing it myself. Sometimes I skip on certain collections, but I love a good theme. So this is the No Place Like Home palette. I love when they incorporate like things from the movie. Look how cute the box is. We have like the witch's hands and then Dorothy, the Tin Man, a lion, and Scarecrow here. And you know that when she wants to go home, she says like there's no place like home. So I thought that the name of the palette is super cute, and so is the packaging, because there's nothing that I detest more than the outer box being super cute and then you open the packaging and the palette's like not there. But this one is, it's a little tin and it's super cute. It says there's no place like home, and then we have Dorothy's sparkling red shoes, and here is what it looks like. It's super small, so it's as big as my hand. This collection isn't way too big. It doesn't have a mirror, it just has the pans inside, and the pans have her little shoes as well. Like 4 of them have her shoes imprinted on there. We have like a reddish brown, and I'll do the tutorial of the eye look that I have here. But we have a reddish brown, a dark brown, and a kind of like creamy white, and then we have a green with shimmers, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers, and the shimmers are like out of this world. I don't know if you guys can tell on my lid, I have this one on there. I thought this was going to be more of a topper shade, but these are like blinding in your face if you're a shimmer lover. So let's go ahead and do swatches of the 4 shimmers so you guys can see them. That's what they look like. So I feel like they incorporated like this neutral for like the Scarecrow. We have this baby pink, which I'm not sure what it stands for, the blue from Dorothy's dress, and then we have a gorgeous like silvery color for the Tin Man. And let me know if you guys can figure out what the baby pink kind of color is for. Maybe it's like supposed to be a play on her shoes. We have the green from the Wicked Witch, which I have on my inner corner. We have a matte brown, a matte like dark red, and then we just have like this nice ivory shade. So those are all the shades in the palette. I think that this is super cute. I am excited to add this to my collection, and I feel like I love a good glitter, so I really love these glitter shades in here. I just recently got rid of my little Sheglam Willy Wonka palette, and I feel like it's because I didn't have enough shimmers in there. So I love the fact that they incorporated more shimmers in this collection. Next we have the highlighter, and this is called Medal of Courage, and we have the Cowardly Lion on the front of the box, and I love the packaging on this. This is super cute. We have the lion, it says courage. If you know the movie, I've watched the movie like 1,000 times. My son adores the Wizard of Oz as well, so we've watched it a ton of times too. And he gets a medal for courage in the end, and then this opens sideways, and then we have the actual stamp. Hopefully you guys will see it here better on my try on video, but it actually has like courage on there with the same type of design here. And this is a gorgeous, stunning highlight. It can be either like in your face, or you can apply it lightly, kind of like what I did. But it is absolutely beautiful. If you know, just the kind of standard highlight that everybody wants, but really, really, really cute packaging. I think they did a great job on it. Next we have the Heart Clock Dewy Blush, and we have Mr. Tinman on the front of the box. And look how freaking cute this is. Like, it's a keychain type of deal, and then we have the heart with the clock. You know, if you know, you know from The Wizard of Oz. The Tin Man is missing his heart. And then when you open this up, it actually has a little mirror, and it has a cream blush. You will see here to my try on, I didn't like, but I don't know, like I hadn't swatched it with my finger, but a lot of times some of these blushes are a little bit more light, so I applied way too much to the brush, and I actually had to tone down this side of my face a little bit because I went in a little too hard from the get-go, and this is very, very pigmented, so you do want to be cautious with that. It is red in your face, so you do want to be cautious, but you do get this like really pink flush from it. It blends beautifully. Love the whole packaging, and it's just super, super cute. And it's actually, I don't feel like this is even, yeah, it's like on there, so it's not a sticker. Like the little clock is not a sticker. I think that this is so freaking cute. Next we have some, which I feel like the poor guy just, you know, like the Tin Man and the lion got something really cool, and the poor scarecrow, he got blotting sheets. I wish they had done like a little something more for him, but I'm not mad. I love a good blotting sheet for my purse. And this is what it looks like. It's like a little box, and then when it has the scarecrow here on the front, and it's called If I Only Had a Brain Oil Blotter. So that's what they look like. I love blotting sheets, especially in summertime. You want to use these just to take off excessive oil. I've been sweating like crazy, so let's go ahead and use this to blot a little bit. And you can see where I blotted the excess oil, and that's what blotting sheets are for, especially if you're someone oily or you're at an event or something, you're dancing, you start getting sweaty, you go to the bathroom, pop one of these, take off the oil. So I love, love, love blotting sheets, especially like blotting sheets that have like there's rice paper ones. Those are so good. They actually add like a little bit of powder to help like keep your makeup in place, but these are really cute. They're made from hemp pulp and wood pulp. And yeah, this is it says that it is inspired by the Scarecrow's degree certificate, because at the end of the movie he's given like a certificate for like, you know, using his brain even though he doesn't have one. So this is really, really cute. Next we have two liners, and these are representing the witches. So we have Miss Glinda and we have the Wicked Witch of the West. And one is the black liner that I used today, and these are super cute. Look at this. Look at her little hat on there. It's just kind of like, you could actually, after you're done with the liners, pop these off and use them as pencil toppers, because it literally is exactly that. Like, it just pops on there. So it's really, really cute. It's her green color. And it is the kind of brush that I really enjoy, which is bristles, not felt tip. So I really love this, and just a really, really good job. And this is not a sticker, it's like literally on there. And then for Miss Glinda, the Good Witch, we have a little star. Again, you could use this on a pencil once you're done with it. This eyeliner, on the other hand, is like very, very sheer, to the point that I literally can't even see it. Like, I really wanted to try to use this like as like to make a wing, and you cannot see this. I feel like this is for very pale people. This would be my fail of the collection. Like, I feel like I needed a little more oomph, or at least make this into like a glitter one. I feel like if it was a glitter one, it would have been a lot better, like silver glitter. So I feel like this could have been better. So, but I do enjoy and appreciate the thought process on the packaging. Last, we have the Sheglam Ruby Slippers Glitter Lip Kit. And you guys will see the try on here. This I'm kind of like, I don't know how I feel about this. First off, we have a liner. It's a very deep, like burgundy liner. Let's go ahead and swatch it. You'll also see me applying it to the side. This I wish was a little bit on the thicker side, just because you're supposed to fill in your lips when you do these kind of like glitter type of looks. I'm not sure. I'll try to see if I could also do it like just lining the outside, but I feel like it just wouldn't look as right. You also get the little glitter glue, and then you get Miss Dorothy's little slippers right here. It actually has like a little hole, so you could actually make this into like a keychain if you wanted to, or I'm not sure if it's supposed to be, but I didn't get the part where it's a keychain on here. But it has red glitter on here, and you will see the application here to the side. This is kind of like, there was a trend back in the day, like a few years ago, where people were putting like these glitter lip kits. I even bought one. They're absolutely beautiful. They like stand out for videos, maybe if you're gonna go out on a night, but if you're gonna drink and eat, that glitter is gonna come off. This is definitely kind of like for pictures or for like social media. It is really, really cute, but it is gritty on the lips, and you do have to really be careful with the application. I use just a flat brush here. This one's from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I would have really liked if they had had like a sponge applicator in here just to make the application a little bit easier. But overall, I think that this is a really cute collection. You know, I kind of gave you guys my overview on what I liked and what I didn't. Let me know if you guys have tried this collection, which ones were your favorites, if you're looking into getting this. I hope that this helped you in your decision process. Thank you so much again to Sheglam for sending these my way. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.